May the good Lord grant the heart of these 17 soldiers who lost their lives during the time of struggling. And I strongly believe that God Almighty will grant their heart desire and also help each of their families. Because I once said it's not easy for someone to go out and said that he's going for a walk at the end. The story now change unto say the person is no longer alive. May God give their family the heart to endure the pain. This is where they will be buried. This is the army cemetery in Abuja.